What's going on, guys? PWB, certified with ISA, International Sports Science Association. Your way of saying things, guys, because we don't like things being too fucking big. I'm a strength and conditioning coach, personal trainer, and exercise therapist. Long titles for a motherfucker who works for his shack. So today, we're going to teach you how to help yourself improve your pull-up. For whatever purpose, I don't know, it's going to be here to help you out. The muscles involved are latissimus dorsi, your post, medial, and anterior deltoid, as well as your forearm. So, if you're in the gym, if you want to find out what type of accessory workouts to do, work on those muscles, and that's going to increase your pull-ups. For just this video, these are just techniques to help you get up over the bar, right? And then, yeah. So today, all you need is a little platform. Like little sandals, yeah, fuck it, right? And then you're going to go ahead and grasp onto the bar. Once you grasp onto the bar, all you're simply going to do is jump over, okay? The reason why you're going to jump over is because you can't, hold your body weight. If you could, you wouldn't be watching this fucking video because you can't do a damn pull-up. So it's cool, whatever. We all suck at stuff. So all you're simply going to do is jump over and then come down. Jump over, come down, jump over, come down. The idea of this technique is you're still going through the motions, so your body is going to be using muscle to get yourself over, but you're primarily using momentum. So cheating, but it's cool because your body is going to be helping yourself out with the motions. Another technique, right? While you're still on the platform or without the platform is all depending on how high the pull-up bar is. You can go ahead and let yourself dangle, and then just flex your latissimus dorsi up, and then flex it down. Flex up, flex down, and then flex up, and then flex down. Those are some techniques that are definitely going to help you out against yourself over the bar to help you with your pull-ups. If you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't care or didn't even watch the video, just subconsciously like, subscribe, and share. Guys, look, it's been a long day, so fuck it, right?